a sleepless night, a stressful argument, or that extra drink you didn't need. These ordinary moments unleash invisible saboteurs called free radicals. They age your skin, weaken immunity. Yet inside you, a secret defense force works tirelessly to stop these culprits: antioxidants.
This video is made for educational and informational purposes only.
Every single day, without your permission and often without your awareness, something unsettling unfolds inside your body. It begins quietly: an inhaled breath of polluted air, a rushed plate of fried food, a sleepless night, a stressful argument, or that extra drink you didn't need. These ordinary moments unleash invisible saboteurs called free radicals. They move fast, strike without warning, and damage your cells like microscopic vandals. Research suggests they may contribute to skin aging, weakened immunity, mental fatigue, and, over time, increased vulnerability to illness. This war is silent. You feel the fatigue, the dullness, the aches, but never see the enemy. Yet inside you, a secret defense force works tirelessly to stop these culprits: antioxidants. They aren't just nutrients. They're cellular detectives scanning your system, identifying oxidative threats, and neutralizing them before real harm unfolds. Vitamin C is your frontline investigator. It moves through your blood and tissues like a vigilant officer, disarming free radicals instantly. It also repairs other antioxidants when they weaken and helps rebuild collagen, the structure that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Vitamin E operates in hidden, fat-rich regions like cell membranes, guarding them from damage. Think of it as a sniper on the rooftops, protecting your cells from lipid peroxidation. Whenever vitamin E neutralizes a threat, vitamin C steps in to recharge it, keeping this duo ready for the next strike. Next comes beta-carotene, better known as provitamin A, the shape-shifting operative. It enters through colorful foods and transforms into a defender of vision, immunity, and skin. Studies suggest that without adequate beta-carotene, night vision may decline, wound healing can slow, and immune defenses may weaken. Selenium works in the background like an analytical mastermind. It supports crucial enzymes, making antioxidant responses precise and powerful. And research indicates it supports healthy thyroid function, which plays an important role in metabolism. Zinc joins as the gatekeeper, reinforcing cellular walls and activating antioxidant enzymes. Low zinc levels have been associated with reduced immunity, skin issues, and slower wound healing. Then comes glutathione, the master detective your body makes itself. It doesn't just protect, it detoxifies, recycles, and restores. It grabs harmful compounds, neutralizes them, and escorts them out. Vitamin C and E depend on glutathione, making it the silent backbone of your antioxidant army. Coenzyme Q10 powers your mitochondria, the cellular factories responsible for energy. It shields the heart and muscles from oxidative stress, ensuring you can move, think, and breathe efficiently. Finally, polyphenols and flavonoids, plant-based defenders found in colorful fruits, vegetables, teas, and spices, patrol your system, calming inflammation, protecting your brain, and slowing aging. But what happens when this defense team weakens? The signs don't scream, they whisper. You feel tired more often. Your skin looks dull. Small wounds take longer to heal. You catch colds easily. Your thoughts become foggy. Your focus slips, and unexplained stiffness or soreness appears. Inflammation creeps in quietly, little pockets of redness or puffiness that seem harmless but signal danger. These aren't coincidences. They're clues left behind by your internal detectives warning that your reinforcements are running low.
If deficiencies persist, research suggests consequences can escalate. Low vitamin C has been associated with slower healing. Research indicates that inadequate vitamin E may be linked to nerve function decline and increased muscle fatigue.
A lack of beta-carotene affects night vision and immunity.
Studies suggest low selenium may impair thyroid performance and contribute to increased oxidative stress. Zinc deficiency has been associated with hair loss, skin problems, and slower recovery in scientific literature.
Without glutathione, your body struggles to detox.
Research suggests that low Q10 levels may contribute to fatigue and reduced cardiovascular efficiency.
Lacking polyphenols accelerates inflammation and cognitive decline. Each missing antioxidant creates an entry point. Fortunately, rebuilding your antioxidant shield doesn't require fancy supplements. Nature provides everything. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are molecular armor. Citrus fruits pack your bloodstream with vitamin C. Colorful vegetables, spinach, broccoli, kale, carrots, and red cabbage, are antioxidant powerhouses. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and sunflower seeds, deliver vitamin E and healthy fats. Whole grains like oats and quinoa supply minerals. Legumes, such as kidney beans and lentils, support cleaning processes in your body. Spices like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and garlic attack inflammation before it spreads. Even green tea, coffee, and dark chocolate contribute to cellular defense. But what you eat is only half the story. How you prepare your food matters. Overcooking destroys delicate antioxidants, especially vitamin C and polyphenols. Light steaming or sautéing preserves them, while gentle heat enhances nutrients in foods like tomatoes and carrots. Pairing vegetables with healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, or avocado, improves absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants like vitamin E and beta-carotene. Even squeezing lemon on vegetables boosts their nutritional impact.
Some studies have raised questions about certain cookware materials, including aluminum, and their potential interaction with food compounds over time. While research in this area is ongoing, opting for cookware like stainless steel, cast iron, or glass is a common recommendation among many nutrition educators.
Your habits shape your defense system. Smoking, excessive drinking, pollution, and stress generate more free radicals than your antioxidants can handle. On the other hand, quality sleep becomes your secret repair shift when antioxidant activity spikes and cells heal. Regular exercise boosts antioxidant enzymes. Hydration helps your body flush toxins. Reducing ultra-processed foods cuts down the chemical load on your system. None of these require dramatic lifestyle changes, just consistent, intelligent choices that strengthen your biological armor day by day. Here's the twist. Real health transformations rarely feel dramatic. They start with tiny decisions: a colorful meal, a cup of green tea, a night of proper sleep, a moment of calm instead of stress. Each choice polishes your internal shield. Each habit becomes an investment in your future body and mind. Antioxidants aren't trends or optional extras. They are guardians, silent, relentless, and essential. They protect your cells, preserve your youth, sustain your energy,
and may support the body's natural ability to reduce the risk of certain conditions, according to ongoing research.
You don't need shortcuts. You need awareness and action. The shield is inside you, waiting. The question is simple. Will you strengthen it or leave it vulnerable?
This video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider regarding any medical condition or treatment.